Set up viewing restrictions on Prime Video. Viewing restrictions allow you to limit playback of content on Prime Video devices. Go to Prime Video Settings on the website, select Restrictions, and scroll to Viewing Restrictions. On the Prime Video app for iOS or Android, select the profile icon. Select the Settings icon, select Restrictions, then select Viewing Restrictions. Select an age restriction and the devices you want them to apply to. Then click Save. Viewing restrictions only apply to the selected devices.